Good morning, children. Yes, now today's our topic, very important topic in major discourse, that is drama script. Okay, from the major discourse you can get 10 marks. Okay, it is one of the topics in major discourse. Okay, drama script is one of the topics in major discourse. What is a drama script? Here, literature in which the plot and characters are developed through dialogues and action, and it is written in dialogue to be performed before audience by actors on stage. Yes, here the persons, okay, the actors has to be performed on the stage. So we have to prepare a script. There is a separate layout, okay, to prepare a script. What is the layout? We can see. Children, see, this is the layout of drama script, and these are the points to be mentioned in the drama script. And first one, title, and next one, setting or scene or location, any one you can write there. And next one, characters you must mention, and stage direction, plot and dialogue of the characters. Yes, is it clear? Okay, these are must be mentioned in the drama script. Okay, for example, I am giving you a question. Okay, already we have seen Swami is expelled from school. Okay, and now prepare a drama script on Swami expelled from the lesson. Okay, Swami expelled from the school. Prepare a script, drama script. That is the question. Then how can you write? Here, title you can give. Which is suitable title you can give. Here, for example, you can write the title, means the same lesson name you can write Swami is expelled from school. Otherwise, Swami went out from school. Otherwise, Swami was boycotted from the school. You can write like that. That is your wish. And next, settings you have to write. Okay, where does it happen? Here, where? In school. In the school, it was happened. So you have to write that settings. Okay, here either this one or this one or this one. Any one you can choose. Okay, school. Okay, here location, school premises. Okay, classroom. Okay, that is you can write in the classroom. Okay, next one, characters. Okay, what are the characters here? Headmaster, Swami, Pure, and remaining 4 students are there. Now you can write the names of the student. For example, Ravi, Rohan, Kishore. Like that you can give the names. First student name, second student name, third student names. You can give like that. And next one, stage direction. Okay. For example, in the stage direction, you have to write scene 1, curtain rises. Headmaster enter into the room with the flushed face. You can write here. Okay, and here you can write the expressions or everything here. Okay, the curtain rises, here you can write. And here, plot. Here it tells how the problem has started, how it's going on, how it has been ended. Here you can write. For example, okay, headmaster entered into the class, okay, to scold the children, and finally Swami expelled from the class. You can write the plot. And dialogues of the characters, each one you can write. For example, first one. Okay, and here you can write in the brackets whatever the expressions you have to mention in the brackets. Okay, for example. Yes, children, see the board, look at the board. And here, headmaster. Now, already we have taken the question. Okay, Swami is expelled from the school. Now, the dialogues, we can see the dialogues. Headmaster, won't you feel shame to sit in the class? Here, this is the dialogue of the headmaster. That was kept in the brackets. Have you seen? With the flushed face. Okay, these expressions must be kept in the brackets. Okay, then what did he say? Stand up, Ravi. Why did you come yesterday? Okay, this is the dialogue of headmaster. Why did you come yesterday? Then Ravi stammered, means that is the expression. Okay, stammered. I suffered from stomach ache. Okay, yesterday I was suffering from stomach ache. Okay, then headmaster, do you bring medical certificate? Ravi. Yes, sir. Like that you can write. You can write any. No need to write only student one. Okay, you can write any name. You can give Ravi, Rohan. Like that you can give one by one. Okay. This is the layout of drama script. I hope everybody understood it. Thank you.